Today's lesson will be about spelling major scales. Chances are, you are already familiar with the sound of major scales from playing and singing them as technical warm-ups. Here's how to write them. But before that, there are important points to remember. Write the given pitch, scale degree 1, on the staff. Write pitches with no accidentals on every line and space from that pitch, up to and including the same pitch class an octave higher. Label the space between each pair of consecutive pitches, from bottom to top, WWH, WWWH. Add an accidental as needed to make the appropriate whole or half step. Now let's try that and create the major scale on D. Write note heads on the staff. Label the correct order of whole and half steps. Add appropriate accidentals. Another way to remember the whole and half step pattern is to divide the scale into two 4-note groups, or major tetrachords. Tetra means 4. In degrees there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Each major tetrachord consists of the pattern WWH, and the two tetrachords are a whole step apart, as marked in example. Play major tetrachords, beginning on various pitches, on a keyboard or other instrument to become familiar with their sound. There is a key concept. To spell a major scale with the correct letter name and accidental for each pitch. Write 8 pitches, all 7 letters of the alphabet plus the repeated tonic. Use accidentals that are either all sharps or all flats, not a mixture. As example demonstrates, in B-flat major it would be incorrect to write D-sharp instead of E-flat. This spelling does not include all 7 letter names, there is no E, and it mixes flats with sharps. Part B provides the correct spelling. When spelling scales, never change the given pitch. If your scale doesn't conform to these guidelines, go back and check your work. Thank you for watching our video. In the next video we will talk about chromatic scales. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification to be notified when it is released. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to write us in the comments section. See you soon.